Good morning. Who had a great sleep?
Me.
Oh my gosh, guys. Nagmask ako kahapon. Yung peel-off mask. Pinaano ako ni Manay. Pinatry ako ni Manay. So baka meron tayong mga parang laway dyan ha. But mask yan. Anyway, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kagabi. Alam nyo ba yung tinatnan ko dito kagabi, guys? Si Dan tulog sa couch. Humihilik. Si Sharon nakaupo dito sa couch. Indy on her lap. Natutulog si Indy, nakaganon ay. Tapos si Ayla dito sa couch na to, natutulog din. And then si Ardo sa room namin natutulog. And sabi ko, my gosh, ano ba yan? Nahihiya ako kasi gabing-gabi na yun. 12 something na yun. Tapos si Indy at saka si Sharon lang yung gising. So dali-dali kong kinuha si Ayla, nilipat ko sa bed. Tapos kinuha ko agad si Indy. Sabi ko, matulog ka na. And sobrang pasalamat ako sa kanya kasi nahihiya ako. Gabing-gabi na yun. Si Dan natulog. But Dan was really tired. I think he only had, what, 2 hours sleep?
No, the day before you left.
More than that? Or that? Because I had 2 hours sleep. So sobrang pagod na pagod din ako. Anyway, sabi ko sa kanya, salamat. Sabi niya, no, that's okay. That's why we're here. But yeah, sabi ni Dan, the whole time daw siya lang daw yung nag-alaga kay Indy. Sabi ko nga, kung pagod ako, pagod din naman yun si Dan. Kaya lang nahihiya ako, iniwan niya talaga yung bata. Hindi niya man sinadya, nakatulog lang talaga daw siya. And then, he got a blanket because she gave you a blanket. Did you notice that?
Now you want to wake up.
Yeah, she took a blanket from our room and then nilagay niya kay Dan. Diba? Siya na talaga. Hindi pa sila lumalabas. They haven't woken up yet?
She
Your mom?
She went to the shops.
Oh, she went to the shops. Oh, she's gone already, guys. Oh my God. Anyway, ligpitin ko yung kwarto namin kasi pagdating ko kagabi, my gosh, sumakit yung ulo ko. Ang gulo-gulo. Oh. Good morning. I did, yeah. I did sleep. You're worried? Oh my gosh. No. How are you? What did you get? What did you get? Yeah.
I've got some cereal, more yogurt. Got kids that have yogurt, so they drink it.
Okay.
Yesterday they had some last night, so I got more.
Yeah.
More orange juice.
Thank
You got Starbucks, aren't you, for?
Yeah, breakfast.
Yeah, Starbucks is only just down the road here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I was thinking about it, but I couldn't hold it.
No, that's alright. No. That's fine.
Got some bread on it too, then.
We got some Moscato there. Did you get alcohol for you?
Yes, I did. Oh, I got mine's alcohol free.
Alcohol free? Why?
Because I got some red wine that's low alcohol. That's alcohol free today.
Did you drink last night?
Yeah, the glass of red. That's
Okay,
I went
yeah.
and got some low alcohol.
Yeah.
So I went to the bottom of the wine place.
Yeah.
I asked the guy.
Do you want this in the fridge or what?
No, I don't want my water.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm pay. He might like cold.
Yeah. So do you want to put some for Pete? So they said this is hard.
Yeah.
This is hard to do. The water.
No, it's easy.
It's
It
easy?
wasn't opened up properly.
Yeah,
Oh,
and you
okay.
put a hole in it.
Alright. Okay. I'll tell the girls. They were having a hard time yesterday. It's like, this is not working. Okay, so it wasn't open properly, and you gotta put a hole.
Yeah. Airy. How many hours of sleep did you get?
She actually gave me
She really was due for a good sleep.
yeah. So she gave me like I think close to 5.
Yes, she was exhausted right through. She was yawning, and
She's smiling now. Look at her.
she smiled at me last night. She was exhausted, but she just couldn't settle. But she didn't mess with food
Yeah.
at one stage. So,
Oh, she did?
Yes.
Okay.
So that would have helped her, I thought. Maybe
Yeah.
a bit of wind in that. And she had 3 feeds. So that's a lot of feed. Well, I got a lot of feeds, but she wanted it. She was bloody hungry.
Yeah. We are out and about. I'm here. Kanina naka-pajamas ako, ngayon naka-ready na kami, guys. Yeah.
Nahihiya na tuloy ako sa camera.
Pero at least all the way through na.
Yeah, oh, ito na yun.
Ready na tayo.
Bili lang tayong kape sa Starbucks. Mamadali ako. Nabihisan ko pa si Arlo kanina, si Indy din. Ano pa? Pabihis pa. Nandun lang siya kay Sharon. Dalhin ko sana. Sabi ko, I'll take her for a walk. She will sleep. Sabi ni Sharon, no. I got her. Hawak-hawak niya lang. Gustong-gusto niya. Ayun na. Starbucks na.
Yeah.
Bilis. Ayan, oh. Tapos yung SZ Mart, nasaan? Ah, nandun. Ito.
Sa kabila ba?
Yeah.
Double to eh.
Dito yung SZ Mart. Sobrang lapit lang pala. Dyan ka binaba. Starbucks tayo.
Kayo doon, kayo. Saan kayo?
So, Sharon wants latte. Latte lang daw kay Sharon. May amoy tayong kape, guys. Dumiretso yun sa utak ko da. Dumiretso dito, parang wasabi.
Dito na tayo guys sa laba. Ay!
Baka masagi mo yung camera ko, ha? End of friendship na talaga yan. Wala talaga patawad-tawad sa camera, talaga masisira ang pagkakaibigan.
Sige, bila na lang kita. Tayo lang na sa wala na yung friendship. Ano lang, parang
Kagabi
mura.
nga, muntik na talaga kitang i-inject.
Ang mura-mura.
Yung kagabi.
Ang mura-mura.
Yung kagabi, muntik na talaga namin yan itakwil.
Masarap nilang ilabas sa car. Ano ba yung sabi ko una?
Hindi, sinabi mo talaga yung word na
Sinabi niya. Diba? Sinabi niya yung word. Tapos
So sorry, alam mo naman ko, hindi ako sugarcoat.
sarap talaga itulak sa palabas sa sasakyan.
Lasing lang ako nun sa taas ng
Ay, mapait.
Mapait?
kasi nga yung
Ayoko mapait. Ito
Triple,
hindi.
Oh.
Sa akin Java to eh.
Masarap yan. Matamis nito. Dapat mocha lang pala, hindi triple.
Ito na yung akin dito.
Ngayon mo ba ba yan na-discover?
Oh, hindi kasi ako nagko-coffee.
nagsustarbucks?
Yan, because nga.
Ano lang ako, fruity.
Fruity juice.
Oo, fruity drinks lang ako.
Cinnamon roll.
Ayan, kasama mo na. Ano ang coffee ko? Sana, masarap yung Java chip?
Gusto ko siya. Thank you.
Hindi nagkakape.
Yeah, yan yung pinakaunang drink na na-try ko sa Starbucks ever.
Ever?
Tapos feeling ko ang yaman-yaman ko na. College pa lang ako na, mahal kaya ha?
Oo.
College ka pa?
Oo.
Oo. Tapos first time ko pumasok doon, gumayo lang ako sa kasama ko. Ano
Parang
ba masarap dito?
Yeah.
Yan, masarap yung Java chip. Sus, ang tagal ko inubos kasi ang mahal. My goodness.
Pero bro, ang sarap naman eh.
Oh, tapos estudyante ka pa, allowance lang.
Parang-
Sabi ko, my gosh, pang 2 araw ko na ito na allowance.
Magpansit kanton na lang. Ako nagpapansit ka na ba? Kaya ayoko.
Baka kasi matamis to kaya sobrang napapaitan ako.
Baka. Try ko nga.
Try mo.
Ay, sorry.
Tama lang? Oh, kaya nga, feeling ko sa ko lang
Hindi ko
tamis.
manalasa ng coffee. Try mo ang banana, masarap.
Alam ko na ang lasa niyan. Nambabasag ng drip.
Inaaway niya talaga kagabi pa siya.
Nambabasag ng drip. Alam ko na may lasa niyan, uy.
Feeling ko sasama na ako kay Mas Pauwi. Sabihin ko kay Jan,
Mag-iyan ng friendship mo sila.
sabihin ko kay Jan, inapi ako sa scene.
Ginapi ako sa Sydney over.
Babe, inapi ako doon ni Reyes.
Ang cute ng dalawa, oh. Si Arlo kanina gusto magpakarga sa akin. Ayoko siyang kargahin. Tapos sabi ni Ayla, "Hello, we have dinosaurs!" Sa ngayon, naglalaro na silang dalawa. Ah, good job, Arlo. That's red, but that's an eraser. You erase it? You erase the colors? Oh, help me, Ate. Oh. Ooh, good job. That's how you do it, Arlo. You erase it. Good job, guys. Are you helping Arlo out there? Are you playing with Arlo? Paalis na as. Oh, dito kasi yarns. Off to the fish market. Ayan. Ay, lago.
Kaya palang ingay. Kasi dyan lang sa door.
Kaya nga.
Kala mo may nagdodoro.
Sexy na Ayla. Ang ganda-ganda ng outfit. Pero tingnan niyo yung shoes. Ah, pagka-colorful.
Okay naman. Ano ka?
I love your socks, baby.
Red, pink.
Kaya
Yellow. Oh, di ba? Colorful. Simple play siya.
Kaya nga, kapag bata pa sila, hindi pa sila nakakasalita, gawin mo yung lahat ng aesthetic mo. Yeah, lahat ng aesthetic mo. Kasi kapag ganito na yung edad, tingnan mo, may aesthetic pa ba yan? Asa na yung aesthetic ni Mami dyan?
Para kang ano dyan, iba-ibang kulay talaga, babe.
Play yan.
Oh, tapos, may,
ano
pa? Rhinestones pa.
Manonood ka ng concert.
Wala na yung aesthetic. Oy.
After party yan.
Dito na kami sa taxi. We're in a maxi taxi.
Bring a dummy?
Yeah, here. Itong isa, she doesn't like stopping. Kasya kami lahat dito, guys.
At least salitan nga eh.
There you go. Now she's very sleepy. She's gonna sleep in the pram, and hopefully she sleeps the whole time in the fish market.
She's tired.
Yeah. Yeah.
Allah, sabi ko mag-rampa siya.
Okay lang, bakit? Sobrang lakad ba talaga? Ito na naman si call center. Di ko nga talaga alam kung... Dito na kami sa fish market. Kakarating lang namin. Tingnan nyo to. Oh, ang grumpy-grumpy na. Nice. Ay, ang sarap. Ay, I want that. Yeah. Gusto ko yan. Yeah, I want that. Yeah. Ang sweet naman ng dalawa. Sana all. Sana all naka-holding hands. Sana all nakaka-holding hands. Sweet naman. Yeah, dami. Ayan o. So, lakad-lakad muna kami. Tingin. Pero alam ko na kung saan ako mag-order. Doon ako doon sa scallops kanina. Ayan o, takoyaki, Danny boy. Nakahanap na kami ng table sa labas. Balik kami sa loob para mag-order. I want my scallops and crab legs. Let's go! First time ko dito. I don't think we went here nung nag-Sydney kami ni Dan last time. Yeah, we didn't come here. Maganda siya, guys. Hindi siya, fish market siya ha, pero hindi siya ganun kabaho. Tapos, busy siya, pero meron pa ding space para maglakad-lakad with the kids, like with the pram. Hindi siya overly crowded. So, it's good. Ayun, nandito na tayo. Yan yung gusto ko. Ano ba yung mga pack-pack nila dyan? Yeah, I want king crab legs and... Oh my gosh, the tentacles looks good too. Yeah, and then I want scallops. Okay. Oh my gosh, ang sarap. Alo, come here. Yeah, I want this, and this.
Ako yan.
Paging, Mers, nasaan ka na? Paging, Mers. Nag-order yun, nasa harap ko, tapos biglang nawala, guys. Asa na yun? Feeling ko nga umorder ng drinks. Ayan, kumakain na sila, oh. What did you get, lobster? That looks good. That's very cheesy. This is what I ordered. Scallops, octopus, and crab legs.
Yeah, so with crab legs, I'm starving. How's it? Ang sarap ng... Ang ganda tingnan ng mesa natin.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Yummy. Let's eat.
You like shark?
Alam mo yung hindi mo alam.
Well, I don't like shark.
Nasa yung pinili.
Hot sauce, oh. Here.
You like to eat shark? Yeah, shark's okay to eat.
Look at the
Do you
penguin.
need fork, Mers?
Look at the pelican.
Meron ka.
Look
May
at the big
chopstick
bird.
ka na
Look at the big bird over there.
Yeah, yung scallops may rice.
You want
daw
the
sa
rice?
ilalim. No, it's got rice.
Oh.
And okay, I'll try the octopus. Did you buy octopus too? Oh yeah, you did.
The octopus is good.
You haven't got it up.
No, you're fine. I'm fine. Yeah, but you enjoy. I'm fine.
Yum.
If you want, I'll come sit on this side and the next sun's up your neck.
Yeah, I will. But once I eat my thing, then you can go get your food. I don't think you consider it.
See, I've got sunscreen as well. You've got sunscreen.
I put some on.
You alright? Okay.
Yeah. I put it on my face.
Is the chip still hot?
The back's alright.
Probably quality, yeah.
Yeah, that's all. That's cool. Yeah.
Mas maganda nga dito eh. Hindi amoy ano.
If you wanna try, Pete.
Hey, have a try.
Octopus.
Have octopus, yeah.
No,
No, what?
Try it,
No,
octopus.
okay.
Just grab it. Just grab it from here.
Try it, Mum. Try it for what?
Yep, from the sea. It's all from the sea. Even these eggs are.
Octopus is
Everything from the sea, I like. Even the chips are from the sea.
good. Try natin yung scallops. Silly daddy.
Are the chips cool enough to eat? I like trying until they're ready to eat now.
What's that? You're around here.
Sarap ng scallops.
No.
Try the octopus first.
Yeah, try the octopus.
No, not yet.
It's really
Where are you
good.
going?
I'm stopping with that.
Nana's coming.
Sit down and I'll answer to it.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Is this, do I throw this away? Is this rubbish? Do you guys want anything? Line up. No. Drinks, girls.
Good, thank you.
Do you want scallops? I can feed you one. No, I already have one. Oh, you have scallops? Scallops?
Yeah.
Yep, you did. Yep, octopus.
How's your lobster?
No, I haven't.
Nice. Wasn't too bad actually.
Try octopus. The cheese was nice on that actually. The what? Oh wow, look at that.
stay here.
Yes, baby. So in Darwin, you know how you got all the leftovers here? On Darwin Jetty, we went out with
the big one?
relatives of my brother-in-law.
Yeah.
So we ate our food
Yeah.
and all the bits and pieces, even the chips, whatever was left, we threw over the
Threw it
water.
over, and the fish was
And the
coming in.
fish, they were massive. Whatever this fish was, it was huge.
No, like big fish like that.
And they come through every night. It's a highlight for the actual thing.
Cruise, the boat cruise.
Comes through and does that.
Di ba tubig lang talaga ito?
Yeah, just water. Just with carbon dioxide.
Di ba meron?
Yeah.
Nagagamit mo ba?
Oo. Yeah. Nakalabas na nga eh. Buntis ako, gamit na gamit ko.
Octopus fish.
Fine. Yeah. You have it.
No, I can't finish it all. I just look at my food.
So try it, it's good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Pete, I'll get you please.
That's alright. That's right. Thank you.
Kaya yan, no? Parang ano,
But you have to eat first, right? Yeah. There's more Pete.
Uy, the Panadol works.
So sila nag-order ulit ng octopus. And then this one, what's this one, my love? Squid? Takoyaki. Nice. Yeah. This is your octopus.
really flat bubble.
You have to try it.
Thank you.
The crab is really good. You want to try crab?
No, I got that.
Later you try.
No, you eat. You make more than that.
There's nothing in the top seat. There's
Yummy, Alo. Good boy.
Poppy,
Yeah.
can you close it?
Please. I didn't hear please.
There we go.
Yung dalawa, oh. Kumakain na ng oyster. Sarap? Kumakain ka din, kasi kumakain ka hilaw isda. Kumakain ka hilaw oyster, masarap?
So good.
I don't like it.
Hindi ko kumakain ng
Hindi ko pa na-try. Yeah.
Try mo sa...
I don't want it.
Manamis-namis.
Masyadong malaki.
Yung may maliit ako. Ayan, may maliit ako.
Ayoko. Yeah, I haven't tried that. Tapos na kami kumain. Naglalakad kami papuntang... Saan nga tayo pupunta, Day? Darling Harbor. My gosh, ang init, guys. Sobrang init. Indy sleeping and Arlo is falling asleep. Ang init. Ayan si Ayla nakahat na. Kasi pakainit.
On the other side there.
Yeah, big.
You can walk around here.
I was on a I think that was James Craig. That big ship. I was at New Year's Eve train. I was here on a big ship, like a pirate ship. New Year's. It was the best ship in the whole harbour. It was a while ago with Sinead.
Yeah, I remember. Umiiyak siya kasi ininom ni Daddy yung kanyang drink. Kanina pa kami naglalakad. Siguro mga 20 minutes na. But buti na lang Arlo and Indy sleeping. Oh, wow! Do you wanna walk? Oh, parang sarap na ano ng paa natin.
Di ba?
Yeah. Kami din.
Ano naman? Once in a lifetime.
It's nice. Just be careful. Baka ikaw pa yung ma-slide. Yung bata, hindi.
Very nice though.
Yeah. Ang ganda sa paa. Ito yun, oh. We're walking with you. And then you go on this one.
Wow, nice, no? Libutin kayo natin.
Gelatissimo ice cream. Ta-dang! I got mango. Ayla got vanilla. You like it, Baba? Ay, ang sarap. Nauhaw kami kakalakad. Hello! He couldn't see us. Ayla! Hello! Hello! Aww. Hello! 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 Aww, holding hands, so cute. Aww. Guys, kami na talaga nasa labas na naman. Magsha-shopping kami tapos magdi-dinner kami. Hindi ko alam. Sige, pwede din. Yeah, pasok daw kami sa Tiffany. Meron akong gustong itry na bracelet para kay Indy. Para kay Indy, pero ako susuot. Sinisi si Indy. Para kay Indy, tapos ako susuot. Kasi ito, meron na ako for Ayla and Arlo. Yung love bracelet kay Ayla yan. Yang isa kay Arlo. Naghanap ako para kay Indy. Ayan na. Na-closean tayo. Diba? Umabot na kami dito sa Circular Quay. Kami na talaga. Nabahoan ka? Naamoy ko yung ano ko eh. Perfume. Yeah. Ang dami namin pinagsispray sa sarili namin, guys. So,
amoy ano na kami.
Yeah. Amoy Tom Ford ako ngayon.
Lahat naman.
Yeah. Saan tayo kakain? Nandito kami kasi maghahanap kami ng mga kainan. Kaya lang, apaka-busy naman, Day. Ang daming tao. Punta daw kami dito para daw malaman nyo na nagpunta kaming Sydney.
Picture naman tayo.
Sabi ni Merz, picture tayo. Para naman malaman nila na nag-Sydney tayo.
So pag wala tayong
daming
picture, nag-joke lang
tao.
tayo sa vlog natin na kunwari nag-sige tayo.
Yeah, ako. Pang ilang balik ko na to dito. Hindi ako nag-picture dito. Ay, nag-picture hindi ko pinost.
Ikaw marami ka na. Ano na ba?
Kaya, pangatlo na siguro ko to dito.
Una yung asak, di ba?
Hey!
Nag-guesting pa siya sa atin.
Ayan si ate, oh. Nag-picture-picture, oh. Guys, na-shock ako. Bakit ang dami-daming tao? Tingnan nyo. Uy, ang daming tao. Bakit?
Oo, dyan sa loob. Kasi ano yan? Kainan.
Yeah, meron pa doon. Ang daming tao. Ang daming tao.
Back to back yung vlog nila.
Na-shock naman ako sa dami ng tao, guys.
Yan. Dyan sa baba kasi kainan din. Okay.
Parang ang layo mo na tayo. Ako kunin ko yung camera mo, ha?
Saan? Sige, sige lang. Mag-face ka. Sige, yeah, sige lang. Magkakadakot ka lang. Yeah, yeah! Hoy, sandali. Sandali lang. Tumalog ka lang.
Ay, gusto ko yun.
Ganyan. Oh! Wait lang. Wait, meron ako. Isa pa nga, doon yung ano. Maglapit ako sa layo. Yan o, yan ka na. Yan, ganyan. Mag-look away ka.
Oo, pa.
Okay, papunta ka dito. Palitan. Gusto ko yung ayan, ganda.
Meron ng power shot.
Yes, madami. Ay, hindi yung tumalon ka, may maganda din. Yung mata. Ang ganda. Yung palapit na siya, ganun na siya ng gano'n.
In fairness,
Alam na ng tao.
happy natin sa Sydney. At
Tsaka alam na ng tao nasa city tayo kasi may opera.
Guys, ipopost namin yun para malaman nyo na nagpunta kami ng Sydney.
Yun talaga.
Pag hindi yun na-post, hindi kami pumunta.
Dito ang ganda, oh.
Ay, parang may ano,
Milduri? Miljura.
No,
Miduri's place. Dito na kami sa restaurant. The East tayo. Oh my gosh, malulubat na ako. Our cocktails are here. Tapos na kami kumain ng aming entree, which is the lumpia. What's this again? Miduri's place.
Spice.
Splice?
Ah, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Approve.
Spicy.
Spicy.
Pero masarap.
Parang may cream ka. Cream ba
pero
siya? Ano, as in cream? Or
Foam.
foam lang? Matamis?
Wala. Yun ang lasa. Ano, parang lang whipped cream.
Parang mirang. Yung video
Fried
lang yun.
rice, soft shell crab, chow mein, seafood chow mein.
Spicy.
Kain, spicy seafood chow mein. Meron pa tayong inihintay, di ba? Beef cashew. Beef cashew nut. Ready?
Ready na? Ano kayo kapalaran?
Fortune cookie.
And mint chocolate cake.
And mint chocolate.
Uy, may laman.
May laman. Bakit sa akin mo?
Libre kasi yan, di ba?
Oo, ganito. Sabay-sabay. Hindi ko pa siya
Mahaba.
Sarap?
Ay, itaya ko to sa loto.
Numero?
May number.
Oo nga.
Oo nga, meron nga.
6 numbers din siya, ha?
Oh, itaya ko to sa loto. Wag ko na sabihin.
Confused.
Nandito pa yung number ko. Lagi kong kinataya.
Possibly sa temple.
Ano to?
Unlikely
A
to go
charming...
astray. May Confucius yung akin.
A charming friendship is in the making. Or in the making pa lang.
Yeah.
A
A charming friendship is in the making. Mine is, people find it difficult to resist your persuasive manner. Sabi mo na ay? Hindi niya doon naintindihan.
Ang haba. Ang haba. Confucius said, the person who studies literature extensively is tempered by the rights and is unlikely to go astray.
Ha? Kanyan?
Hindi ko alam.
Doon na lang tayo, friendship about friendship.
Maganda akin.
Gusto mo i-create
Yung sa kanya may manner. May attitude siya.
Ano to? Easy, medium, difficult.
Bay, magtaya tayo sa loto. Baka malang isa sa atin.
Sige, tayo natin. Sige.
Kaya
Sige nga.
sa loto. Ay, nawala naman.
Dito ka na lang i-continue ang vlog.
Malubat na naman siya. Naiinis na.
Sorry.
Kaya mga
Merong numero yung yung sa fortune cookie. Sabi ko sa kanila, kapag may nanalo isa sa atin, kasi tataya kami sa loto. Pag may nanalo isa, dapat dalhin kami ulit sa Sydney.
Another labubo moment.
Tapos, kakain kami ulit dito. Sabi niya, oo. Sige ha, pag nanalo ng $500.
Abono ka pa.
Abono pag-yati.
wala pang plano.
Wag na, hindi na ako tataya. 500 lang panalo, dalhin kita Sydney.
Wala mo
Hindi pa abot sa flight. Ano nga, may accommodation pa.
500,000.
Makainin pa. Yata, ito nga, half na 500 na kain na natin.
Kaya nga, no?
250, di ba to? Wag na lang.
500,000.
Joke lang, hindi na tayo
Uy,
tataya.
huwag kang ganun. Mag-reject yung ating number.
Sabi niya, 20k na. Sige, pag 20k. Pag 20k ha, sige.
Uy, siguro no?
Paano po? Nanalo tayo tatlo. Para
Pangawakan ko na tong number.
Ilalagay ko talaga sa ano.
Nandito pa naman yung number na lagi ko tinataya.
Yung akin.
Lagi ko tinataya para naman.
Wala ka tumataya talaga.
Yeah.
Sa akin naman wala. Kasi
Nawala pa.
panira to ng moment.
Namatay yung camera.
Hindi yan. Naiinis talaga ako.
Ikaw yata yung kita sa ABS-CBN.
Yeah.
O BTR.
What's your name? How old are you? Sarah, what you gonna do? Dad. What? Be, salamin. Tapos hindi niya man alam buong buong kanta.
nag-adlib na.
Nag-adlib siya, model. Hindi niya na alam. Tawang-tawa kami sa
Buong
buong.
kanta ba? Buong kanta.
1 minute, may 60 seconds lang.
Yeah.
Lasing padala.
Cheers.
Dal mo?
Kaya nga, dami sinasabi.
Lasing si Andy, guys.
Hindi, kakapump ko lang. Pwede na ako uminom kasi hindi na ako
Panira
magpapump.
talaga to ng
Bukas na ulit.
Matay na naman siya.
Cheers, guys. 11:36 na kasi matutulog. Pangalawang glass ko na to. So,
Mommy.
ako niyan.
Battery, wala na.
Lobot ka na.
Okay.
I know, I want one too.
Okay.
And I made this for you.
Oh, thank you,
And
princess.
we joined.
Uwi na ako sa aking
We joined
family.
paper and we put
Maaga yung aking
pictures
flight.
in
So,
your
at
own
least maaga ako
pencil.
makarating.
Okay, thank you.
Sunduin nila ako.
Daddy, can I have a lollipop?
Of course I can. I can get you one.
I don't want.
I know you do.
I-on mo nga.
Minsan naiwan ko yung camera ko sa baba, hindi na ako makapag-close. Good night, guys. Bye-bye. Ganun lang yung kulit. Alis na yan bukas.
Bye,
Bye-bye, Inday.
Bye. Maaga ako vlog. Sleep in sila.
Mauwi na siya.
Where's the milk with the ice?